with just a 5% deposit. All come fully furnished free of charge with ground rent and service charge paid for 1 year. Book to view virtually or by appointment by calling 0203 770 6300. That's 0203 770 6300 or visit galliardhomes.com. That's galliardhomes.com. Stamp duty holiday applies on the first £500,000 of any new purchase. Help to buy applies on units up to £600,000.
German transport regulator rules Mercedes installed unauthorized defeat devices. Mercedes pays $1.6 billion to settle US claims. If you or your business bought or leased a diesel Mercedes vehicle manufactured between 2009 and 2018, you could be eligible for compensation, even if you no longer own or lease the vehicle. Join the claim. Visit mercedesemissions.claim.co.uk or text JOIN to 85222.
I'm Dr. Helen and I'm a GP. It's great that life's getting back to normal, but COVID still hasn't gone away. And we all know that catching it can be serious. If not for you, then for someone else. So if you're feeling under the weather, or you can't taste or smell your food, or you have a cough that won't stop, please don't ignore it. Don't wait, don't guess, get a test today. Order one online at nhs.uk/get tested, or use the NHS COVID-19 app.
Galliard stamp duty holiday until the 1st of January 2022. galliardhomes.com. Applies on the first £500,000 of any new purchase. Nick Ferrari at breakfast on LBC. Call 0345 6060973.
Right, the crackdown that could be coming the way of schools and mobile phones. Nicola in Macclesfield, would you welcome it, Nicola? Good morning.
Definitely not.
Oh, okay. Tell me why.
Joss is at Manchester Grammar, and they actively encourage using the phones during the school day. They try to get them to stay off them during break time and things, because they prefer for them to go outside and run about and do, but that's not always possible. A lot of them spend their time doing their homework and bits and pieces within the school day, say at lunchtime and things. If it's raining, what's the point in, if it's going to be nice after school? Why would you do your homework after school when you can do it at lunchtime?
No,
they will do it with the research on their phones. They're actively encouraged to use their phones as part of communication responsibly between each other. For they have homework groups, WhatsApp groups, all sorts of things that's going on, which is all about inclusion.
Can I ask a question, which is really going to put me, show everyone my age and pardon my total ignorance? Do they still have libraries in schools now, or are they just done away? They do have libraries.
Actually, that's the only point in school when you're not allowed to use your phone.
But I'm delighted. Respectfully, shouldn't pupils go and learn what books